Hey everyone, once again welcome back here, and today in this video I'm going to integrate the admin dashboard into our project. So here this one is our application and we are building this application. It's basically a reward system, and I'm going to integrate this admin template into the admin dashboard, right? So this name is sleek, right? Sleek, and you can find this through this themefisher.com/product/sleek, right? And I will also attach the link in the description so you can easily get the link, and you can instantly download this. And remember, just use this for the educational purposes. If you want to use this for your business or for professional purposes, so purchase its license, right? So here, if you want to just do this for the educational purposes or want to just do this for the testing purposes, we can simply click on this free download and this will be downloaded. So I have downloaded this right now, and now I'm going to close this out, and here I'm going to logged in as an administrator to visit the dashboard, right? This one, right? Okay, so here whenever a user will visit this dashboards, I want to log into this dashboard, right? So now let's go here, admin, and this dashboard is responsible for this one, right? So I'm going to name this old dashboard.play.php, and here I'm going to create a new file which is dashboard.play.php, right? So here I'm going to use this dashboards. If I give it a refresh, and yes, nothing is there, right? So I'm going to now add this here. Okay, let's copy this, and here I'm going to do this extracted, and let me create a sleek dashboard. Okay, go here, and I misspell the spelling, but it's okay. I did this for the purposes, and here there's a theme, and it's still extracting, and yes, now it's completed. And here, now if I go here and visit this index, right? This one is index, and open this out here. Okay, so this one is locally here, right? So simply go here and edit this into the Sublime, right? Let me open the Sublime here, and then I'm going to this out to where is the index. It's this one. So now drag this here and simply copy all of the stuff, right? And go here, and I'm not going to add this out here because I want to create first a master layout, right? So simply go here, go to this layouts, and here we have an admin plane, right? So which is responsible for this default behavior, right? So I'm going to make this old admin, and then here I'm going to create a new file, admin.plate.php, right? And here I'm going to paste all of the stuff, right? I pasted all of the stuff, right? Okay, and now save this one, close this one, and here I'm going to extend this same plate, right? So this would be the layouts dot admin, right? So this will show our admin dashboard without any styles, without any css images and stuff like that. And yes, now it's appearing like this, right? So now the time is to the work on the styles of this one, right? So here we have this title. We can add here a dynamic title, right? So we'll do this later. I'm going to name this admin dashboard. Later on we will use this yield here, and here we need to add these links, and before these changing the links, we need the assets of this theme, right? So just go back, and here we have asset directory. So simply copy this one and go to your application. In our case we have this reward system. Go to this public assets site, not site. Simply open create a new directory here, which is admin. And remember why I'm separating each and everything. I'm separating the site stuff, or site assets, administrator assets, user assets. Why? Because in future if I want to change my dashboard, right, so I can easily um, remove all of the stuff from the admin, and then add new dashboard assets here, right? So this is the way we are adding this out here to make sure that we will change it without changing everything from the project, right? So this is a good thing. You need to follow the same steps. It will save you a lot of time in future if you want to upgrade another dashboard. Okay, so now this one is inside the asset admin, and these assets are there, right? So here in the assets we have a plugin directory, and which is responsible for this one, right? So simply go here, and we have assets. And now let's add here stage sign and set admin, right? And in the admin I'm going to now copy this unique path, right? Every file have a unique path, right? So I'm going to copy this and add them out here, right? Okay, and simply copy this one and paste it here. Okay, copy this plugin, paste it here. Okay, and here we need to also change it here. So simply do this one is a dynamic thing, so just do this here, asset. Okay, and then admin, and here in the admin let me remove this slash, because we have slash here. So simply cut this out and paste it here. Okay, cut this image too. We'll fix other images later, but this one is now copied, so we are going to paste this. Save this one and give it a refresh here. Okay, so our css is working fine, right? So now the time is to the work on the gss files, right? js files. Okay, so here we have asset slash plugin. So simply copy mark these all using control plus D. Will mark all the similar files, right? So we have a lot of files here, right? So let's go here and make this asset slash admin, and here in the admin I want to locate these files. So simply add those files. Okay, just copy this, copy this, right? Okay, make sure to copy all of the path correctly, otherwise this js or some files wouldn't work if you add the wrong path. Okay, this one, and js range. You can also exclude the other functionality if you don't need this range and toaster and stuff like that. Save this one, give it a refresh, and yes, now these graphs are appear, right? And we need to fix these images problem, right? So just go here at the top here to find the images, to find image, and here we have asset slash. Okay, let me mark this all of the ones. Oh, we have 18 images, right? But here in the tab content, hmm, so we don't need these other images. So just to add this user image here, and I think everything will work fine, right? So let me add this just to user image. So find the user image, okay, this one, and let me fix this from here asset, and then this would be the admin, okay, and then here I need to pass this, okay, copy this image, this one too, okay, save this one and give it a refresh. And yes, our images are also working fine, right? So we don't need these other things, that's why I'm not adding other images path, right? So our GS is not working, so let me check that what's the issue. So here if you give it a refresh to see the proper error again, um, we have a file simplebar.css which wouldn't exist, simple min.css which is wouldn't. So let's go here, which is inside the plugin we have a simple bar.css. So simply go from here, yes, it's admin, then plugin, and then simple bar, right? So we don't have any simple bar. I don't know why it's not there, because I copied all of the same thing from here, and it should be there, but I don't know why it's not. Location, okay. Asset location is on PC. Make sure device are already know inserted, and then try execution is on that. I don't know why this error is there, so let's close this one. And here, just go to the reward project here, oblique assets admin, then plugin, and there is a no simple bar, right? So simply comment this out, a simple bar, and then also simple bar js, okay, simple bar js, where it is, okay, this one. And we have some issues on map.js, right? To map.js, we are not going to use this map.js because we are not going to use the map, right? Can comment these chart.js, this map.js, okay, vector.js, and then other files are it's a sleek dashboard and some other files. So let's give it a refresh and reload this if some of files are loaded. Okay, option switcher, it is option switcher, okay, option switcher.css and js, because we have not fixed there, and I think I don't need to add this, but let me do this right now. This one, give it a refresh, option switcher.css, option switcher.js, right? So this option is where it is, option switcher, okay, it's not there, right? So let me comment this out. I don't know why this one is there if it exists the assets, right? And yes, it's working fine, everything is working, right? This one is also opening and our dashboard is working fine, right? Okay, so our video is going a little bit longer, right? So now the time is to cut this main content from there and add this into the dashboard stuff. So we basically will extend this functionality, right? So now how to find this main stuff? So let me find this here. Okay, this one. So simply copy this from the content wrapper and copy this till ending of this content wrapper. Okay, copy it, copy, and then okay, where it's ending the, yes, it's ending this wrapper here, right? So simply add a yield here, content, right, and go to this dashboard, and here I'm going to also use this section content, and here I'm going to end this section and paste all of the stuff here to give it a refresh. And yes, everything working fine, right? But if I go here and I'm going to remove this one, give it a refresh, it will not display this content here anymore, right? So we are just displaying here an empty, right? So let's go here and also cut this footer from there. We have a footer, right, which is ending here in the dashboard. So we want to not add it here, so let me cut this out from there and add this in the master file like this one. Okay, so save this one, give it a refresh, and yes, our footer is there, our content is there, right? So we successfully we are able to use this in the dashboard. And if you want to set the title here, you want to set this dashboard title. So how to do this? So simply go here top, and here you can use another section, right? You can define this title key, and here you can define the value admin dashboard, right? So save this one, and now let's go here, and here I'm going to remove this admin dashboard which is statically. Now I want to render it from the child components. Now give it a refresh, and yes, still we are using the visiting this admin, we are seeing this admin dashboard. So it means that our this admin dashboard is now coming from this child. If I add this here one, so it will also print this one, right? And yes, one. Okay, so our this functionality is working. So later on we will display here some facts, and we will add some more things like in the previous video we added the purchase products and like these, right? So we'll refactor this in the next video. And if you like this video, subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.